Hello everyone, I'm Walt. Welcome to our 12th principle in this life hack series, 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. Thank you Lifehack for this awesome series. Here we are with our 12th principle. Yes, so what is this one all about? We just covered a feeling, so what was this one about? Well, let's see what we're on now. Don't worry now, worry later. Okay, now this is pretty much the opposite of what most people are going to be doing in their day-to-day lives. A lot of people are just always worrying about stuff, and they just go from one worry to another. Oh no, I gotta make this payment, I gotta go here, I gotta go there. They're just kind of like an animated person just like running around from thing to thing to thing. And they're almost like it's almost like a pinball machine. They're just getting smacked around. Pew, 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 and uh, it's kind of just like that for a lot of people. So, I mean, the question is just like, why? Why do you want to have your life be a constant source of annoyance and problems and things like that? Instead, just don't worry about it, okay? You can even use the technique of positive worry and try to worry about the good things. Oh, I'm worried about how happy I am. I'm worried about whatever, because when you worry about things, you tend to put more attention on them. But besides just using positive worry, which I have another video on anyway, the truth here is just that a lot of people are worried about stuff that's not really important. Okay, a lot of the things you worry about are really just not a big deal. And if you take a little time to start like meditating on a daily basis, you can find that a lot of the thoughts you have are trying to make you do things, and there's not actually a point in doing them. They're all just fine the way things are. And that's not to say we're all dysfunctional on a daily basis. It's just to say that a lot of the things we do are not actually necessary, but we feel like because we thought it, we have to do it. But we don't, okay? A lot of the things we worry about are just not important. Now, there are a few things that we worry about that are important, but most of the time, it's not. So instead of worrying now, worry later, okay? Take the time to do the things you love right now and do the things that are important to you, and overall, that is what's going to pay off and make you the happiest in life. Anyway, that's about it for this principle. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.